Nagi marjot syaka jing maramot bat di peteng ya ki beladap di teng. Kedukan RPS Hashnong Saiden kebatlum bat senapan bahaya kitiar rim. Pila abanyo ya ki mar second hand kitiar kali kitiar ying bat kiwei. Wat bert pathar lumba ya kitiar wan ai shangi ngin pan bahaya ki. Ke Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada perlong sisin citayo ha ke sisa jan Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedon punjait ki kom hikai ha ke liang ka tem kaput bat karwai ke siau ki khana ki bahan nyos tem senang kila banwan pentebit ha ke nag music school bat om dan jinge nag mta ki larang baru banwan pentebit ha ke nag music school ha ka wei ki jingja sha Kren Tohmet bat Kren ben ya ka riam bat ke jinge jong ka balang Kristen ka wei sister jong ka balang Catholic kala sha Kren Tohmet hau Nongbud boss bat kato ka nei ki basyong hak tiga boss ka belajar ha ka jela Assam men ha ka khatnyo trik urempang arjar arpsau kat ba ka tiga sister kadang syong ha ka wei ka boss ban lej jinglet ka bahab yat na dut nai sha gol para ha ka jela Assam katik sister ka tiga bapet ya ka balang Catholic ha rilum garo ha South Garo Hills District kabahap hapo ka Ronggara Siju constituency kabari ke constituency jong menteri sarkar wapet ya ketanat ki kampule puthi jong jela Rakkam e sangma une menteri sarkar da jing sokhya halor kene ke jingja ula le ben ye Kynduh ya menteri Rangbah ka jela u konrad ke sangma rangkat ke jing tho bat kentu ban simkhya bat ban ye Kren mardor bat ke sarkar Assam bat kumjuru bat ke sarkar India halor kene ke kam ka bajujiana ka por sakapor ha ka risen char pajba kataru hapdeng ki jela ki ba marjan kata ka jela Assam bat ke jela Meghalaya ha ka jing tho ka bau teu menteri ula tho ha ka ransan x ula pedram jor ye ki gibreu ki ba Leit Tohmet ye ki riu nyam bat ongru bat deban penstom ye ki ba kum ki te gibreu da ka batenge kumban chukdo bagane ki jingja kala wanru ha ka jinge Kren ha ying dorbar thawan jong jela ha ka sngewbha jong dorbar mang tengka kata ha ka arp tarik urempang arjar arpsau ka balon ra ye ki mat jinge Kren dau ba Charles pengrup UMLA ke Central Congress dan Nongpoh constituency ban ye Kren badru ban kentu ya ka sarkar ban tuklar badru ban ye Kren mardor bat ka sarkar Assam.
I thank you for allowing me to move a 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business regarding the news item published in the Nongpoh dated the 22nd of February 2024 under the caption Shah Kren Tohmet and Shah khubor the real name Nakabos Assam. So to translate into English very briefly, it says that the person concerned was subject to derogatory remarks by certain individuals and also literally thrown off the bus. Shah khubor, thrown off the bus in Assam. So this relates to an incident that happened where one sister, a nun, Sister Rosemary, serving at St. John's Parish, Siju, West Garo Hills, Meghalaya, South Garo Hills, Meghalaya, had to travel from Dudnai to Golpara on 17th of February 2024. The sister boarded the bus at 11 a.m. from Dudnai and paid the bus fare up to Golpara. Soon after the bus which had traveled a distance, the bus conductor and some of the passengers began to make derogatory remarks on her religious habit. The habit is the dress that she wears, and her faith. After some time, they stopped the bus at an isolated place and she was forced to alight from the bus. Forced to alight. The incident caused serious mental agony and harassment to Sister Rosemary, both as a woman and a religious person. With the help of some other people, the sister then took another bus and proceeded to Golpara. So there are numerous religious priests and nuns in Assam and Meghalaya who wear their religious dress as in any other places in the country. Harassment of people because they wear a particular dress or religious habit is very disturbing and unheard and uncalled for. These incidents take place because of a false narrative and propaganda spread against a particular religion. In my opinion, I may put on record, sir, that I feel that this government should take adequate steps to curb such propaganda, thereby creating an atmosphere of social and religious harmony among the citizens. Many of our citizens from Meghalaya go to Assam for the purpose of seeking medical care, education, and other activities. Some of them wear their religious habit or carry religious symbols. So in the light of this incident and other incidents reported in the media recently, may I request the government of the day to take up the matter very seriously with the Assam government, so that such incidents, such as the one mentioned above, is not repeated in the future. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'll not make a statement, but
this
as an
is
sir,
a
I'll
zero.
just submit a petition to the Honorable Chief Minister through you, sir, regarding the same incident, sir, to show that we are concerned about what has happened in Assam and it is not repeated in future, sir. So through you, sir, I would like to submit this to the Honorable Chief Minister, sir.
Leit.
Mr. Speaker, sir, though the 0 hour was brought just this morning, and as rightly mentioned, sir, the written statement will be placed and given to the honorable members. But sir, if, with your permission, I'll just make a very, very brief statement on this particular incident.
Right.
And so, sir, basically, this incident, of course, was informed to me on the day this happened by one of the bishops. And immediately after that, I have taken up the matter with the Assam Chief Minister. So this matter has been brought to his notice. And he has officially informed me that he will take necessary action. We are awaiting for more details because the information that we received was not sufficient to be able to pursue the matter in any official capacity. And the concerned person was in a state of shock. So therefore we did not get the details from her at any point, and she is also obviously not comfortable to give all the details immediately. So we are waiting for that particular information because as of now the only information we have is the date and the time and the location from where she traveled to the destination where she traveled. So we do not have the bus number, we do not have the details of the names or anything that could lead us to the concerned individuals. But for the information and knowledge of the House, so we are very much aware of this and we are taking it up. I have already taken it up as mentioned, and whatever needs to be done, sir, we will pursue this matter. And of course, sir, it will be continuous effort from the government side to ensure that such incidents should not happen. And in any location, anywhere in the region, in the state and in the country, these incidents should not happen. So we will take steps. As I said, I have already mentioned it and taken up the matter with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. But I'll give a more detailed and written reply after getting the detailed report from the concerned person and the officials. Thank you, sir.